Today I bought a wet dry Swiffer. This is the unboxing. It comes with a sample of the wet mopping cloths, the heavy duty wet mopping cloths, and then you have the heavy duty dry sweeper cloths. I'm going to go ahead and use the heavy duty dry Swiffer pad, put it on. I like the Swiffer because it's so easy and it's so light. You assemble the handle and I'm all ready to go. Here I am in a living room. First I'm going to dust the tabletops, cabinet tops, sofa, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the floors. I have two very large dogs and you can see there's a lot of hair, and this is like every other day. I'm always looking for a faster, easier, better way to clean the floors. So I'm sweeping everything up. I do have to stop probably about halfway and then clean off the duster pad on the Swiffer. Here you can see the pile, and this is about the time I clean the pad off. You can see here's the pad, and I clean this with this hand broom. And then I do the other half of the room. And the Swiffer does make a really fast, easy job of sweeping up the floors. And there you go. There's the Swiffer. There's the pile of dog hair. I give the Swiffer 3 thumbs up. Look at all that.